For users who have paid for membership, it's possible to get trading suggestions based on the current state of the market. It is only possible to generate suggestions when the market is open. If you choose to act on the suggestions, you'll need to place trades in a brokerage account. For this example, I'm assuming that a user wants to use the wheel strategy on a set of ETFs consisting of SPY, an S&P 500 index ETF, IWM, a Russell 2000 index ETF, QQQ, a NASDAQ 100 ETF, and VXUS, an international stock fund ETF. To specify the set of ETFs to trade with, I need to define a basket. To do that, select the Baskets tab at the top. From the Select Basket dropdown, select a new basket and give the basket a name. To add an ETF to the basket, click the plus sign next to Stocks and ETFs and begin typing the name. Select the ticker from the list shown. For a more general introduction to the Baskets tab, please see the link to the Creating and Updating Baskets article in the description. To set up trading, click on the Trade tab at the top of the page. Open the Accounts and Holdings section. We first need an account to put money in. To create a new account, click the plus sign next to the Accounts label. Give the account a name and click the Add Account button. Now you need to add some assets to the account. For this demonstration, I'm going to add $100,000 cash to the account. To do that, open the Account section. From the Action drop-down, select Deposited Cash. Type in $100,000 for the amount and click the Accept button. While this example only uses cash, you may add stocks or ETFs that you own to the account or options that you sold. For a more general introduction to setting up accounts, please look at the article Setting Up and Manipulating an Account. There's a link to the article in the description. After the account or accounts have been set up, open up the Parameters and Policies section. Select the basket that defines the stocks or ETFs that you want to trade. Set up the fee structure that's used at your brokerage. For this demonstration, I'm going to say that there's a 65-cent per contract fee for buying and selling options. Next, set up the investing directives. I'm going to choose to generate buy to cover suggestions. Finally, I'm going to choose to maintain diversification in this scenario by choosing the approximately equal value for each stock ETF option. An in-depth introduction to the Parameters and Policies section used in both backtest scenarios and in the trade page may be found in the article Explanations of Parameters and Policies. There's a link to the article in the description. Now, open up the Suggestions section. Click the Generate Suggestions button. After a short delay, a list of suggestions will be displayed. It is possible that no action should be taken in the moment, in which case no suggestions will appear. To act on a suggestion, go to your brokerage and enter a trade for one of the suggestions. The exact procedure will vary from brokerage to brokerage, but in general terms, you'll enter the ticket for the stock or ETF, the stock price, and the expiration date, and you'll be presented with at least the bid and ask price. Enter the bid price and place the trade. Once the trade is cleared, enter the final price that you got in the suggestion and click the green Accept icon on the suggestion and it will be added to your account. You can view what Wheel Strategy Tools believes is the current account holdings in your account in the Accounts and Holdings section. From time to time, an option may be assigned prematurely, in other words, before the end of the expiration day. In this case, it's possible that the Wheel Strategy Tools will incorrectly decide that the option has expired. To correct this, please see the procedure in the article Handling Premature Assignment.